Hey guys, it's Editor Benita again from Samani Enterprise Tutors, and today we're going to be looking at creating a Java program. This is going to be the popular rock, paper, scissors game, but then we're going to be having it in Java code, okay? So I had to go to Wikipedia to get the rules of the game. Alright, so the rules say a player who decides to play rock will beat another player who has chosen scissors, so rock will cross scissors and paper will cover rock and scissors will cut paper, okay? And unfortunately we will not be able to finish as regards to this last condition that says if both players choose the same shape, the game is tied and is usually immediately replayed to break the tie. So you could build on this and then expand the program. As I've always said, you can expand it to do this last condition, okay? Alright, so I'm going to jump right into it. First of all, since we're going to be needing an input from the user as regards to if they're going to, okay, so this is how the program is going to work, okay? The user will be asked to either enter rock, scissors, or paper, okay? Will be asked to enter any of those. And on entering that, the computer is going to randomly pick between paper, scissors, and rock, and then we're going to compare these two depend based on this rule that we just read now. Okay. Now, if it is that the user won, will display who wins and who lost, and then it's also possible that we'll make it possible that the user can enter either R as a single R to represent rock, or P for paper, and S for stone. Okay, S for stone or R. X for scissors, I beg your pardon, right? So since we have our scanner, the next thing we want to do is system.out.println. Please enter, okay, rock, scissors, or stone. Alright. So I'll just copy this and choose rock, stone, or RS, rock, scissors, paper. So these are rock, scissors, paper, no stone. So this will be PPR. So the user can enter, you can either enter rock, scissors, or paper, or rock or RSP. So the next thing we want to do is we want to check if the user entered something. Most definitely, or we want to accept first. So we're going to say string. This will be string user option or user choice is equals to a scanner dot next, not next line now, but next. Right, so we're going to say if user choice dot is empty. So if it is not empty, what we're going to do is we're going to say string user input is equals to format input. Okay, now what this is I want to format the input of the user based on I want to have a general input, so I don't want it to be R or S or P. So if the user enters R, S or P, I'm going to format it and make it rock, scissors, or paper. Okay, so that's the first thing I'm going to want to do. So I'm going to create this method called format input. So I'll hover, create the method. Okay, so it's going to return string. So first of all, I'm going to create a string variable. I'm going to say string output is equals to user choice. Alright, then I'm going to use a switch statement. I'm going to use user choice dot to lowercase. So I'm going to first convert this to lowercase and then check. Okay, so I'm going to be checking depending on what the user is. So if the user entered R, I'm going to say output is equals to rock. Okay, so I'm just going to copy all this. R S, okay, P So SCISORRSC, okay, SCISSORS, okay, SSORs, and then this would be paper. Alright, the default case. Then I'll do return output. Alright, so this is just formatted. So if the user entered R here, so if the user choice was R, I'll pass in R, and then get it to rock, scissors. So if the user actually entered, something right, this would just be because user choice, and then the same output will be sent out. Alright, now that said, the next thing we are going to want to do is we're going to want to check if, so after formatting, we want to know if it is a valid entry. So I'm going to say if, then I'm going to have a method called check validity. Okay, this method is going to check if what the user actually entered is valid. Okay, so I'm just going to create that method. So I'm going to create the method as we go. So check validity. So check validity works like this. So we're going to check if, so right here, we're going to say if, okay, if user input dot to lowercase, I want to change it to lowercase. If it equals any of these three, after formatting it, so if it equals rock, then I'll get my on-screen keyboard to get the all. So I'll just come here to this, put my cursor right here, 1, 2. So if it equals rock, paper, I'll just do this, or SCISSORs. Alright, so if the user input is equals, after formatting it, if it equals rock, paper, or scissors, we want to return true, because that means the user input is correct. Okay, so we can say return true, else return false. Okay, so that checks if the user input is correct. Now if the user input is correct, the next thing we want to do is we want to play the game. So we're going to say play game, and then pass in the user input. Alright, now that method has not been created yet, so I'll just go for and then create it. Now the method called game. Alright, so this is actually where we play. So the first thing we want to get is we want to get what computer. So string computer will be equals to another method get computer option. Okay, so this method is what will get us what the computer has chosen. Alright, so now what we're going to be needing is we're going to be needing a string array that will contain the options that will be available for the computer. Alright, and then we're going to use a random object to randomly pick any of this. Okay, so we're going to have rock, paper, and lastly we're going to have scissors. Okay, then we're going to have a random object called random is equals to random. Then we're going to have an integer variable. We're going to say computer pick is equals to random.next. Alright, random.next int of 3, because this will be 0 to 2, and then we're going to say return computer pick. Okay, so let me go through this. not computer pick now, but options, and then we're going to have the random. So computer pick. Okay, so let me explain what this does. Now this gives computer his own play. So rock, paper, scissors. So this is a random object. Then we get a random number from 0 to 2. We then pick a random index in this options string array. So if it is paper or scissors, we pick a random one. So on picking that, it returns the value to computer. Alright, so once that is returned to computer, the next thing we're going to want to do is just have a little display and says user input, okay, versus just a little, computer. So this should be probably rock versus scissors, as the case may be. Then I'm going to concatenate that. Then I'll just get my screen keyboard now for a new line. Alright, so put it right here. This changes, sorry, go back. So that is that. Now we're going to want to check who wins or who does not win, because it's actually the play. Game. Okay, so if we're gonna say if user input dot equals ignore case, so we want to ignore the total case now. If it equals to what the computer picked, obviously that's a draw. So we're going to say system dot out dot print line out. Okay. That makes a tie. Okay. Else, if there's a winner, else. So if it's not the same thing, we're going to want to come up with another if-else statement. So this is going to check. There's going to be a method say check winner, right? And then we're going to pass in both the user input and then what the computer randomly selected. Alright. So check winner, I'm just going to hover and then create the method called check winner. Alright, now the check winner method works like this. So first of all, we're going to have multiple if statements. I'm going to say if check validity. So I'm going to want to ensure. So I want to check if the user input is not valid, or I'm going to take this out from here. So if it is not valid, or you might have seen an error here, I'm not sure what is now. Or I want to check if also okay. Or computer. So if none of them is valid, I want to return false. Okay. Else, so or if another if statement now. We want to now check using the rule that we saw at the beginning of our video. We now want to check. So the first condition is okay. Rock crushes scissors. So we want to check if user input dot we want to say ignore, so equals ignore case if it equals rock. So it is a playthrough and computer dot equals ignore case. So rock and scissors So let's see what happens between rock and scissors. So rock crushes scissors, so we're going to say system.out.println rock crushes scissors. So the user actually won, so we're going to say return true. Alright, so we're going to return true. Else if, so now we want to check if it was the computer that played rock. Okay, so I'm going to put this here, change this to computer, change this to computer, change this to user input. So we're going to return false because the computer actually won here. Alright, so we're going to repeat this for, so 1, 2, 3. Alright, so if else. So if, so that's about rock and scissors, so paper and rock, right? So the next one we're going to change this to paper and rock, and it says paper covers rock, right? So we're going to put it here, paper covers rock, paper covers rock, change this to paper, changes to rock, and the last one is scissors cuts paper. Alright, so scissors cuts paper, scissors cuts paper. So this was scissors paper, scissors paper. Yeah. Alright, so let's go through the conditions again. So if else, if else if else if. Alright, so rock crushes scissors, rock scissors, rock scissors, paper rock, scissors paper, scissors paper. Alright, I think that is that about that method. So we're going to say if, check winner. So if it was the user that won, we're going to say system.out.println. In addition to it, we're going to say you won computer. Already, right? I mean, it's an achievement. Or we're going to say you lost to computer. Okay, better luck next time. Okay, so better luck next time. Alright, so I think that's that about it. So let's run the code again. Let's run the code. So Java application, we'll enter rock versus rock. Okay, that makes it tie. So let me put disability spacing. Pick another one. This time let me play with scissors. Scissors versus rock crushes scissors. You lost the computer, better luck next time. Alright guys, that's how it works. You've seen me use a single letter and you saw me use rock the first time. So guys, thank you for watching. Do continue your hands on, and make sure you go to my GitHub repository. I'll be putting all this code there so you don't have to retype it all over again. Thank you for watching. Do have a lovely day and God bless you.